Hello. Yes, Yogendran, reply me if sound is clear. Himanshu. Asjad Khan is there. Yes, we'll start now. Asjad Khan is there. Okay. So the answer is coal contains mainly. So what is the answer? Carbon, nitrogen, oxygen, graphite. Carbon for one. Yogendran is saying carbon for one. Tarun is saying graphite. So Tarun is wrong. So graphite is not the correct answer. Graphite is not the correct answer. So correct answer is carbon. Okay. So carbon is the correct answer here because coal contains mainly carbon. That's why when we burn coal, carbon dioxide is coming out. Okay. So carbon is the main constituent of coal. Very good, Yogendran. Yes. Graphite is also a type of carbon, allotropes of carbon. Graphite is also a carbon. Okay, a type of carbon. So coal is contains mainly carbon. Next question we have question number 2, and your time starts now for question number 2. Shiv Devi. Carbon, yes, you are right. So we are studying coal and petroleum, and coal and petroleum mostly contains carbon. This is carbon and compounds. Carbon and its compound. In class 10th you will study these all things in carbon and compounds. Okay, the process of separation of different constituents from petroleum. Petroleum is what? The other name for petroleum is crude oil. Crude oil. CRUDE. Crude oil. In Hindi you can say kacha tel. So it is black in color. Okay, it is black in color. So crude oil is nothing but petroleum. Okay. Yes, time is finished now. So the time for correct answer. So the process by which we separate all the constituents from the crude oil, or you can say petroleum, is the refining. Refining process is known as the process by which we separate all the constituents of petroleum, like petroleum product like naphtha, like petrol, diesel, kerosene, bitumen, glycerin, everything from petroleum. Okay, so these all are constituents of petroleum. These all are petroleum products. So refining is the process by which we separate all these constituents, and the industry where this process goes on is called refinery. Okay, refinery. Refinery. It is called refinery where all this process happens. Okay, you are discussing within yourselves. Don't discuss now, discuss on WhatsApp. Okay, so here concentrate on the study. If you talk to your friends here, I will block you. Okay, from chat, I will block. Yes, Skull Games, hi, hello. So don't talk here, talk after this class, okay? Just take his number, talk after the class. Okay, now third question from this section, coal and petroleum, and your time starts now. For those who are new, please subscribe this channel so that you can get the information of live classes and all other classes, and join our WhatsApp group. Now it's a very big group. You will get help there from all the students who are preparing for class 9th Sainik school entrance examination. The description in the link is given in the description. Okay. Yes, time is finished. It's time to give answer. The burning of fossil fuels cause air pollution, carbon dioxide, and it leads to what? It leads to carbon forming, no. Nitrogen fixation, no. Smoke forming, yes, it forms smoke, but it's not the problem. The main problem is global warming. Okay, from carbon dioxide, CO2, what it does? It helps in greenhouse effect. So what is greenhouse effect? You have to study. This is very important topic, greenhouse effect. Greenhouse effect. Okay. So you have to study greenhouse effect. What are the gases which are involved in this greenhouse effect? So one of that gas is carbon dioxide, which comes when we burn fossil fuel. When we burn fossil fuel, carbon dioxide is coming in air, and it increases the global warming by greenhouse effect. So the process is called greenhouse effect, and the name is global warming. It is due to the carbon dioxide. Okay. Okay. Global warming, yes, Geeta Bhumi is saying global warming. Global warming, Shiv Devi, very good. Karun Legend, very good. All are saying global warming. Yes, everyone knows this one. Okay, so next question, question number 4. There are 15 questions. So be ready, be prepared. Okay, your time starts now. Okay, I will talk loudly. Just increase your volume. Increase your volume, these skull gamers. Voice is not clear. I have to check. Voice is not clear. Hello, now voice is clear. Hello. Please answer me if voice is clear. Yes, now time is finished. So it's time to have answer. Which of the following is being used as a source of hydrogen gas needed to manufacture fertilizers? So what are the fertilizers? Biogas, natural gas, coal gas, petroleum gas. So which of the following is being used as a source of hydrogen gas needed to manufacture fertilizers? Yes. What is the answer? So we use fertilizers, urea. You know urea. Urea is a very common fertilizer, and it's mix of. It is made by nitrogen plus hydrogen. Okay, nitrogen and hydrogen. By the use of nitrogen and hydrogen, urea is made. Okay, so nitrogen we get from air. As you know, air have maximum nitrogen, 78%. So nitrogen we get from air, and this hydrogen we get from the fossil fuel. That is natural gas. Natural gas contains carbon. This natural gas contains CH, carbon and hydrogen. Okay, so hydrogen is used here as a fertilizer. For making urea fertilizer, hydrogen is used, and hydrogen comes from natural gas. So biogas is not much we have, so we use natural gas is abundant. So we have too much natural gas below the earth. So natural gas is used to make urea, okay, any fertilizer which contains hydrogen. So another question is there. So remember this one. You have to answer one more question is there in the last. Okay. So which of the following is being used as a source of? So natural gas is used as a source of hydrogen for fertilizers. Okay. So everyone is saying biogas. Okay. Keep answering. No problem if you answer wrong, no problem. There is nothing to do with wrong or right. Just you answer, and if it is correct, then okay. If not correct, correct yourself. Okay, and remember it, learn it, understand it. I am explaining here all the answers. So it will be very easy to remember. Okay. So now question number 5, and the time starts for you now. Just take your time, 1 minute is time to think over it. Okay. Those who are new, please like and subscribe to the channel. Those who are new, and share this link to all your friends so that they can also join and enjoy these questions. Yes, time is finished now. So it's time to check the answer. One of the following is not an exhaustible source of energy. Which energy is not exhaustible? Which energy is not exhaustible? It will not finish. So natural gas is a fossil fuel, petroleum gas is also fossil fuel, coal gas is also fossil fuel. Biogas is not a fossil fuel. It is made by cow dung and all the waste product. It is made by waste, agriculture waste. Okay, so it will not finish. Okay, so correct answer is D, biogas. One of the following is not, biogas is not an exhaustible source of energy. Okay. Natural gas is a fossil fuel, it will finish one day. Natural gas will finish one day, Shiv Devi. If sound is not clear, then please remind me that sound is not clear. If you find sound is not clear, just remind me. Okay. Yes. Now question number 6 for you, and your time starts now. Biogas is the correct answer. Again, sound is not clear. Yes, time is finished now. Let's check. What is the question? The slow process by which the large land plants and trees buried deep under the earth have become coal is called. What is the process by which coals are made? This is a very slow process. It takes thousands of years to make coal. So this process is called carbonation, carburation, carbonization, and carbocation. So what is that? So answer is C. Very good. Everyone knows it. So everyone is correct. Answer timing is too much. Okay, I will reduce it. No problem. So correct answer is C here, carbonization. Okay, all have answered correctly, and I will reduce this time to 30 seconds. Okay. Now next question, question number 7, and your time starts now. Only 30 seconds time is there to think over it. Thank you, Shiv Devi. Voice is good. Voice is clear. Pooja Sharma, don't write like this for playing video games. It will waste your time, and time is very limited for this Sainik school test. If you are preparing, time is very less. So don't indulge yourself in these bad things. And also, these video games make your mind. Yes. Time is finished now. So which of the following is used as a reducing agent in the extraction of iron metal? So what is used in the extraction of iron metal? What is used? Yes, what is the sub? All are saying C. Skull gamer is saying B, but it is coke. Correct answer is coke. Coke is used as a reducing agent in extraction of iron metal. So you all people know that iron is not found in its native form. So what we do, ores are there, iron ores, we extract iron ores, and these iron ores go with different process to make it iron. So in this process we use coke as a reducing agent. In one of that process we use coke as a reducing agent. Okay. So you will not understand what is reducing agent. If you can understand, it's very good. If you don't understand reducing agent, just learn it. So learn it. Just understand it that there is so many process for making iron metal from iron ores. So in one of that process we use coke as a reducing agent. Okay. Coke is the correct answer. D. Coke is a form of coal. Coke is a form of coal. Ultimately it is coal, but the exact answer will be coke, because coke is also a coal. Charcoal is also a coal, but the especially coke is used for as a reducing agent. Okay. Now question number 8, and your time starts now. Yes, time is finished now. We'll check the question. Which of the following is usually referred as black gold? So, answer is coming. Put right question number also before answering. Right question number. How I will know that which question you are answering? So I cannot say. Okay. Coke is solid form of coal. Yes, very good, Tarun Regent. You are right. So just write down, send me the answer which is usually referred as black gold. Coal is also black, coal tar is also black, petroleum is also black, and coal is also black. So which one is known as black gold? Gold is what? Gold color is yellow. So nothing to do with color. Gold is a very expensive metal. That's why we use here gold. So which one of these are costlier? Yes, coal is black, but it's not a gold. Coke and coal are cheaper, 17 or 20 rupees kg. If you want to buy coke or coal, you can buy it by 20 rupees per kg. So coal and coal tar, these three are form of coal. Okay, and coal is not costlier. This is cheaper. Cheaper means what? 20 or 30 rupees per kg you can get. But this petroleum product is very costly. Like if you want to buy kerosene, you will get 40 rupees, but if you want to buy petrol, it is 80 rupees per liter. 80 rupees per liter. So petroleum product is very expensive. So that's why it is called black gold. Okay. So answer is C. Skull Gamer is saying C. Very good, very good. Question number 8. D is not correct. Only C is correct. but only Pooja Sharma is saying C, I think. Coal is called as black gold because it is the main source of energy in India. No, 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 my friend. No, it cannot be called as a black gold. It is a source of energy, but it is cheaper than the petroleum. Petroleum is called crude oil. Actually, crude oil is the correct name. Crude oil is called black gold. So those countries who have crude oil, see like the highest producer of black crude oil is Saudi Arabia. So it is very rich country. Those countries who have this petroleum, they are very rich. That's why it is called black gold. They are very rich. The Saudi Arabia, Qatar, Kuwait. Kuwait is a very small country, but it's very rich. That's why. Why they are rich? They have natural gas, abundant natural gas, and petroleum. Okay. Yes, yes. Now question number 9. And your time starts now. Yes, no one is answering. Why like this? Just answer it. Question number 9. Time is finished now. The various compounds present in the coal tar are separated by the process of simple distillation, destructive distillation, fractional distillation, fraction crystallization. So correct answer is here fractional distillation. This is in your syllabus also, and this is the actual process by which we separate all the various compounds which are present in coal tar. Okay. Yes, coal tar have so many compounds in it. Okay. Coal tar, coal tar have various compounds in it, and it is separated by fractional distillation. Okay, around 1000 or 800 or 1000 compounds are there in coal tar. Okay, 1000 compounds. So they are separated from. They are separated by the process called fractional distillation. Okay. So now question number 10 for you, and your time starts now. Yes, time is finished. Which question number 10 is which of the following is not obtained as a fraction during the refining of petroleum? Just you have to use your mind. Logically, you can say, you can tell the answer. No one is answering. Why? Just answer, please. No one is answering. Yes, which of the following is not obtained as a fraction during the refining of petroleum? So, what we get after refining from this crude oil, black gold, what are the constituents? So many constituents. So, kerosene we get, natural gas. Natural gas, we don't get natural gas in refining. In refining, we get LPG, liquefied petroleum gas. Natural gas we have naturally, it is present above the petroleum. If this is earth surface, below this earth surface there is petroleum, and in between the earth surface and this petroleum there is gas which is known as natural gas. Okay, so this is natural gas, it is present in its native state. Okay, so gas is present in its native state. Natural gas, directly we suck it. Okay, and we clean it little bit. And what we do with petroleum? Petroleum we refine it in these products like kerosene, LPG, petrol, diesel. Okay, petrol, diesel. So these are the constituents which we get from petroleum. So LPG also is a gas which we get from the petroleum. And natural gas we can find directly below the earth and above the petroleum. Okay, so maybe it's clear for you. Okay, so we'll go for question number 11 and your time starts now. Yes, time is finished now. So we can check the answer. Which of the following is an exhaustible natural resource? Inexhaustible. So please keep your eyes here when you read this type of words. Inexhaustible. Okay, inexhaustible. Inexhaustible means which will not finish. Okay, which is not limited, which is no, which cannot be finished. Okay, so one day everything will finish, but when everything will finish we will also finish. So we have to check which will finish before we finish. Okay, so coal will finish before we finish, petroleum will also finish when before we finish, and water, what about water? Water will finish with us. If water is finished, then we will finish. So this is inexhaustible. We count it in inexhaustible, and forests are exhaustible. So forest, because very fast we are cutting all the forest and we are making houses and industries by deforestation. Okay, so water is the correct answer here. C. Forest is exhaustible, my dear friends. Forests are exhaustible. Okay, so answer is C here. Correct answer is C. So I think no one is interested in this class. Very few students are there. What is the best time you can come? Just message me so that I can arrange that time. What is the best time for you guys to attend these live classes? What is the best time? Please answer, comment in the video, or you can comment in the WhatsApp. Wherever you want, you can say me, tell me, you can comment it so that I can make arrangements like that. Okay, very few students are there, only 4. We have 85 students in our group, but here only 4 students. So what is the problem? Just tell me in WhatsApp or in this chat box or comment box. Okay, so next question, question number 12, and here is the question number 12, and your time starts now. Yes, time is finished now, so we'll check the question. A special grade of product obtained from crude oil, which is used as a aviation fuel in jet aeroplanes. What is the name of that fuel which we use in the jet aeroplanes? Aviation fuel. What is the aviation fuel? Yes, this is very good question. It comes in GK also. It is a GK question also, that which fuel is used as an aviation fuel. So correct answer is kerosene. That kerosene, it is not that kerosene which we use in our household, in the stoves. It is not that kerosene. It is a high, very refined, very special grade product. Name is the kerosene. Formula for this chemical formula is like kerosene, but it is very much refined. It is not the same which we use in our house for cooking in kerosene stoves. It is different from that, but the name is same, kerosene. So we use kerosene as a aviation fuel. Okay, correct answer is kerosene. These are very important questions, so please learn it. Write it in your book. I don't provide PDF because you people only download that PDF and you will forget that all. So these all questions are there on this website called the Sainik School.online. You can check here. I will show you. This is the website. Okay, so here you can check all the questions are there with the name Coal and Petroleum Practice Set 02. Okay, and 01, yesterday we did 01, so you can practice it whenever you have time. Go there, select the correct answer and submit it. Then and there you will get the result. You can view a score. You can check the correct answers, wrong answers, what is the correct answer for your wrong answer. Okay, so petrol is not used as a aviation fuel. Okay, kerosene we use as a aviation fuel. So now question number 13, and your time starts now. have to use your logic. Okay, so here little bit different type of question. The material A is a fossil fuel. Okay, the material A is a fossil fuel which is extracted from the earth. So you have to guess which is that fossil fuel. The next condition is it is said to be formed from the buried large land plants. So it is made by large land plants, the plants which grow on land. So this fossil fuel A is made by the land plants by a very slow process called B. So you have to name that process B and that fossil fuel A. So what could material A and B be? What is A and what is B? So you have to select the correct answer from here. Petrol and the process is distillation, coal and the process is carbonization, coal and the process is deposition, coke and the process is carbonization. So name of that fossil fuel is, the correct answer here is B. Because why? Because the fossil fuel name is coal, and which is made by the large land plants, and the process by the slow process which is known as carbonization. So it is the correct answer B. Like this you have to select the correct answer. Okay. Now question number 14. Now question number 14. Yes, the same type of question but different theory here. So you have to check what is the question. The fossil fuel P, any fossil fuel P is used as a source of gas R. Okay, source of gas R needed to manufacture nitrogenous fertilizers. Okay, this question I have already explained you before. Okay, so what is that fossil fuel? So that is petroleum or natural gas. That is natural gas. Okay, so that is natural gas which is used as a source of gas R, and gas is hydrogen. Okay, so the fossil fuel P, that is natural gas used as a source of gas R, that is hydrogen, needed to manufacture nitrogenous fertilizer, that is N plus H. Okay, nitrogenous fertilizers contain nitrogen and hydrogen. So correct answer here is D, natural gas and hydrogen. Okay. Now the last question for this session. Last question, question number 15. So question is, when R is filled in metal, when R is filled in, so here R is filled in metal cylinders. So what is that which is filled in metallic cylinder and used as a fuel in motor vehicles? We use that fuel as a motor vehicle. Okay, so it is called S. So that fuel is called S. So what is that? What is filled in the cylinder? What is filled in the cylinder? And what is that fuel name? What is the name of that fuel? So what we fill in the cylinder is natural gas. Okay, and it is called CNG, compact natural gas, because we fill it compressed. We first compress it and we fill it in cylinder. That's why it is called CNG, and it is the natural gas. So natural gas and CNG. Okay, this natural gas and CNG is the correct answer. Okay, so this was what, second practice set for coal and petroleum topic, coal and petroleum chapter from your general science book. So be ready tomorrow for the sample question paper. So it will be consisting of 25 questions, and we cover all the chapters, all the topics, whatever there in your syllabus for Sainik school entrance examination. So tomorrow there will be class at 5 o'clock. Okay, live class 5 o'clock with a sample paper of general science This will be third sample paper, I think. I don't remember the set third or fourth, I don't know. So tomorrow there will be class 5 o'clock. Okay, so be prepared and be ready. So thank you for watching this video. Have a nice day. Take care. Goodbye.